In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can set up Google Authenticator on Bybit. So let's dive right in. After opening your Bybit account, to set up Google Authenticator from your home page, on the left upper side, it will show you your profile picture. Click on that and it will open up this type of dashboard here. You can see here this safety feature here. Click on that. Then if you scroll it down, you will find here this Google two-factor authentication. Turn it on from here and then it will show you this send a verification code to your given Gmail. So you have to type the code that it will send you to your given Gmail address. In my case, I'm writing my own code. After writing it, you can simply confirm it. After confirming this, it will show you this. Please install Google Authenticator app on your phone. Click continue and then it will give you this code. You have to copy this key by just clicking here and it will be copied to your clipboard. After copying it, firstly you have to download your Google Authenticator from your Play Store. If you are using iOS, you can open your App Store here and then download Google Authenticator. After downloading it, you can open it. It will show you a dashboard like this. Then simply you will find here plus icon on the bottom right side on Google Authenticator. Then you have to add your account name in the section where the account name is shown like Bybit, and in the section where the add key is mentioned, you have to paste the key that you have just copied from Bybit. After doing this, it will show you the code that you have to paste into your Bybit. Simply copy code from here and paste it and it will verify this Google Authenticator. This Google Authenticator doesn't allow screen recording, that's why it's showing black screen here. So that's how you can set up Google Authenticator on Bybit.